Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Today we're going to look at the driving characteristics of this Model S that is just getting in front of me and this white Model 3 on the left lane just further up ahead. You can see that I have engaged autopilot. That's because whenever I enter road tunnels, I like to use autopilot because it is safer, and I also know that cars will not cut in front of me because of the double solid white lines. These are just my observations as I drive in Hong Kong. Now, this Model S in front of me happens to be an Indian driver, and he has not engaged autopilot. You can see him drifting rather close to the solid white lines. He's a bit of a weaver. He might also be using his phone, changing his settings, or is just distracted or daydreaming. Here he gets quite close to the white Model 3. In contrast, the white Model 3, like me, has engaged autopilot because you can see he is consistently within his own lane. Also, the Model 3 is at a fixed distance to the car in front of it. If you drive a Tesla, and all Teslas have autopilot as standard, why not use it? Particularly if you are a weaver like this Model S driver in front of me. The Chinese driver of the Model 3 has engaged autopilot, so he's free to do anything. The funny thing is, he's actually picking his nose, but at least he isn't weaving and drifting about in his lane. Now, as we approach the exit of the tunnel, just watch how this Model S continues to weave. It's quite dangerous actually. As I am passing him, he gets really close to my lane and doesn't seem to realize or even care. So what can we learn from this clip? Should we use autopilot or not use autopilot? Clearly you can see the advantages of using autopilot. I understand different people have different driving characteristics, but given the fact that autopilot is a safe technology, why not use it? Particularly if you are a weaver and are likely to be distracted by using your phone or picking your nose or doing something else in the car while you're driving. Common sense tells us we should engage autopilot, especially in road tunnels. What do you think? Please comment below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.